If you don't have a custom tune from your tuner, do not install this product. All right, welcome back to another video. I am right now in my work clothes because I figured why not? If I'm gonna sweat, I might as well do it in this. So, somebody's watching me. Oh no, they're coming closer. Bet, come over here. Come here. They're coming. I'm gonna shut up for now. All right, so today we're gonna be, okay, he's gone now. All right, so today we're gonna be installing the Cobb boost controller. Now, you're probably wondering why I didn't go with the grip speed. Oh, that was so awkward. She did it again. Oh, I feel so stupid. Why are there people walking? Can I please just shoot this? All right, so back to what I was saying. Why I didn't choose Grim Speed boost controllers is because my tuner didn't give me one. So he gave me a Cobb. So I looked over YouTube and there is no videos of how to do it. But luckily, I found some info online, just enough to get me through. This is definitely a necessity when you're tuning your car. So let's install it. Right when I have to film a video, I have to go use the bathroom. All right, so this is a pretty weird boost controller, not gonna lie. So if you actually look here, this is the inlet hose and they're right next to each other. All right, so in the box also comes, of course, the pipe tube. I don't even know. I forgot. My brain isn't working today. Yeah. So we got this. Oh shoot. We got our zip ties. They already fell out. And they also sent me thread locker, which is kind of weird, but okay, whatever. All right, so I'm done explaining. Let's install this now. All right, guys, you already know the drill. Lift up the car. Boom, get under the car. Where's my rollie? By the way, I bought a GoPro while I was on vacation, so now you guys get to see what I'm doing instead of me tugging this big camera under there. So this is gonna be way more convenient. Yes, sir. Oh yeah. That's a style. All right, we made the connection, perfection. All right, let's get started. It's a brand new Chevy with a lift kit. All right, we're gonna start off by taking this panel off. So, it's a brand new Chevy with a lift kit. Look a hell of a lot better with you up in there. Baby, you a song, you make me want to roll my windows down and jump out the window. Don't feel like picking up the phone, just leave a message at the tone. Cause today I don't feel like doing anything, nothing at all. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, 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 nothing at all. Non desu da yo. Nani? Yeah. The piping changed color, really nice. All right, so our job is to remove this piping right here. Get that out of the way. No, I dropped my phone. That's not good. Almost there. Oh, got it. All right, so we're gonna move this to the side or not. All right, so as you can see, I removed this tube first, and then actually I did not know there was a sensor here, but essentially you just pop it right off. And then I guess I got unbuckle the sensor up there. All right, so next we're gonna take this off. Pop that off. Come on, buddy, I believe in you. Yep. Pop that off. All right, if you look up there, we're gonna remove this tube right here, where the bypass valve is. It's hot. All right, so unscrew the clamp that connects to the bypass valve. So once I take off this turbo inlet, then it should be easier to pull off. If we do break these, it's gonna be a problem. Oh, why does this want to be so difficult? I heard that if you get like a parent turbo inlet, it's like right on the bottom, so you don't have to like go the extra effort of doing this. By the way, I'm still thinking of getting unequal length headers, so that should be fun. Come on, buddy. I believe in you. Let it go. Let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Come on, brother. This is your moment. Is it that stuck in there? Jeez. I got it. Oh, got it. Boom. We have the solenoid. All right, so looking at our turbo inlet, we're gonna start by removing the stock boost controller. All right, so this is our stock boost controller. Looks pretty janky, but don't worry, we're gonna upgrade. All right, so looking at our new one, I'm gonna have to make a new little hose right here. So like, you see how close that is? I have no idea how I'm gonna do it, but I'm gonna do it. So this is port number 1, so this is gonna be the intake. The next challenge is to get this in between here. So, oh God, why'd you have to make this so difficult? I am successful. All right, so that's step 1. Shut up, you train. So I guess next step is to actually install this back into the turbo inlet. They actually provided us with hardware, so I'm gonna use this instead. Since they sent me Loctite, might as well use it. All right, so according to some YouTubers, they said not to over tighten these, so to bottom them out and then a hair turn. Because they say that the plastic's very fragile and it could be bad. All right, so bottom out and then hair turn. Perfect. All right, so the boost controller is now installed. Now we can hook this up back into the car, which is gonna suck, but worth it. All right, we're gonna switch back to the GoPro. All right, let's start by putting the turbo inlet back into the car. So, turn the blow-off valve to its original position, or not blow-off, bypass valve. We're gonna push a medium strength thread locker so we can break it loose next time, as Chris Fix once said. Let's start with the hardest one. Now we're gonna tighten it, but not too much. Like a quarter turn after you bottom it out. Yep, almost there. Yep, there we go. Okay, shove this in here, and then, all right, that ain't going nowhere. Sensor, right back on. And then we're gonna connect the tube right above where the blow-off valve is back on. Ouch, that hurts. Watermelon sugar, high. Put that back on. We're gonna tighten the bypass valve tube. If you just call my name, get it possible. Oh, baby, man. If you wanna reach me, doesn't matter when. I will see till the very, very end. With danger and trouble, I'm there on the double. No one I know, can't possible. Call me Big Man if you want to reach me. All right, so now you're going to take your hose, and then you're going to want to measure how much hose you need. So there's going to be 3 ports. First port is intake. Second port, wastegate. Third port, turbo. And when we measure, we want to make sure it's not too tight, but not too loose. Now that you got your hose, you're gonna want to stick it in. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take your zip tie and you're gonna zip tie it right up there. Oh shoot, I broke it. What in tarnish? I broke it. Okay. Are these things not fragile? All right. Attempt number 2. Take your pliers and cut off the excess. Take that in. Measure it up. Not too tight, not too loose. Now since we tore up the first one, we're gonna go get an extra one from my drawer of wonders. If I haven't. Oh, yep, I do. Make sure to plug in our boost controller. Nice. And then we're gonna double check to make sure we plugged in everything. And then now we triple check to make sure everything's back on. And that should be it. So now let's put everything back together. Oh, somebody Snapchatted me. About the idol. Man, I definitely need a lift. Just like, speak your fudging truth. Cody go me. Gotta be so rude. Don't you know I'm human too? Why you gotta be so rude? I'm gonna marry anyway. So we are done with the install. The car is dropped. Now, side note, or actually no, main note. If you don't have a custom tune for the boost controller, do not install it. I should have probably put that in the beginning of the video. In this case, I have an E-tune. So, meaning my tuning company, Johnson Tuning, already sent me a map to run this boost controller. So, we're going to install the boost controller, and then we're going to start it, and we're going to data log it, because I got to do that. So, let's do it. So this is the custom map, Johnson Tuning, Pro Tune. All right, she is all done. Now we wait for 15 seconds, and then we turn it back on. All right, so I'm currently data logging the car, so I'm collecting data so I can send it to my tuner so you can tune it and tweak and stuff. But that's pretty much it. That's all I got today. I hope you guys enjoyed the install. It was definitely pretty fun, not too aggressive like the last one. Appreciate you guys watching. I'll be back next week, hopefully. My catback is hopefully coming soon, hopefully not. Or not hopefully not, why would I say that? But yeah, appreciate the love, guys. Like, subscribe, comment if you want to. Any suggestions you guys want, let me know. And I will see you next time. Quick fill out.